My love, baby, my sweetheart, I've been talking to you earlier on we started this journey. You kept quiet. What wrong have I done again?
Baby, see, it's over between I and you. Why would I answer you? Why won't I be annoyed? I'm not interested in the relationship again. Last week I caught you with a girl on bed. You told me she's your classmate. Yesterday I caught you in hotel. You lodged with another girl again. You said her name is Veronica. How does that concern me? I'm not interested in the love again. It's over.
Baby, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
How dare you mean I should calm down? Calm down? Calm down? Or